Hello everyone, today I'm back with another video. My name is Rakshitha. I'm pursuing my final year degree from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today in this video, I'll be discussing of the subject called network security. In this subject, I'll be discussing what is network security, need of network security, and the types of attacks in network security. So without any further delay, let's get into our video now. So now let's see what is network security. Network security in computer networks refer to the measures taken to protect the integrity, confidentiality and availability of data and resources within a network infrastructure. It involves implementing various technologies, policies and procedures to prevent unauthorized access, misuse, modification or denial of network and its resources. Network security aims to ensure that only authorized users can access network resources and that the data transmitted over the network remains secure from interruption or manipulation by unauthorized parties. So, these are the network security types that may be firewalls or antivirus software or data loss prevention, encryption, etc. On this slide, we'll be discussing about network security protections. In the field of network security, there are multiple components working together to ensure the security of data and networks. Based on this, there are several different types of network security. The first one is firewalls, access control, virtual private networks, intrusion prevention systems, wireless security, application security, and behavioral analytics. So now let's see in detail one by one. The first one is firewalls. Firewalls are services or devices that act as a guard responsible for deciding which web page, pop-up, and other services enter and exit a network. These firewalls use a predefined set of rules that assist in blocking or allowing traffic depending on the requirements. Firewalls can be of software, hardware, or both depending on the need of the system. The next one is access control. Access control allows companies to prevent potential attackers from invading confidential information and to block unauthorized devices and users from accessing the given networks. This allows only those users to, to access from the remaining. The next one is the virtual private network. A VPN generally uses the internet to encrypt the connection between an endpoint device and a network. Further, VPN allows professionals to authenticate the communication between the network and the device. This results in building an encrypted and secure tunnel in the internet. Next one is intrusion prevention systems. The intrusion prevention system finds and prevents attacks by scanning network traffic. It is done by using database of attack techniques that professionals are familiar with and correlating them with the network activities. Next one is the wireless security. Wired networks are not as secure as wireless networks. It is necessary for you to control the devices and users that can access your company network. Hence, it is important for you to have wireless security, especially when cyber criminals are rapidly targeting confidential information for extortion. The next one is the application security. Application security involves a set of software, hardware, and processes that track and log the weak points of an application to be easily targeted by attackers to your network. The next one is the behavioral analytics. If you want to be able to identify enormous and various network breaches as and when they occur, you need to have a clear idea of normal behavior of your network. There are varied behavioral analytics tools available that automatically spot abnormal activities. In this slide, we'll be discussing about type of attacks in network security. The first one is malware. The second one is phishing. The third one is denial services and distributed denial services. The third one is man in the middle. And next one is SQL injection. Next one is cross-site scripting. The next one is sniffing. And the last one is zero-day exploits. So now let's see one by one in detail. The first one is malware. Malware is a software designed to infiltrate or damage a computer system. Malware can spread through the networks and mail attachment. So the next one is phishing. Phishing attacks involve tricking users into sensitive information such as password, credit card number and other personal data, etc. The next one is denial of services or distributed denial of services. So DOS or DOSS attacks aim to disrupt the availability of network resources by flooding a network, server or website with an overwhelming amount of traffic or request. This can lead to service outages, slow performance or component unavailability of services. The next one is man in the middle. The MITM attack, an attacker interrupts communication between two parties such as user and a website without their knowledge. The attacker can can have the communication, manipulate data exchange between the parties or impersonate one of the parties to gain access to sensitive information. The next one is SQL injection. SQL injection attacks targets databases by exploiting vulnerabilities in web applications that use SQL queries to interact with the database. The attackers inject SQL code into input file or URLs to manipulate the database and gain unauthorized access of data. The next one is cross-site scripting, that is XSS. This attack exploits vulnerabilities in web applications to inject scripts into web pages viewed by other users. These scripts can steal cookies, session tokens and other sensitive information related to the website. The next one is sniffing. Sniffing attacks involves interrupting and monitoring network traffic to capture sensitive information such as password, credit card number or other confidential data transmitted over the network. The last one is zero-day exploits. So the zero-day exploits target vulnerabilities in software or hardware that are not yet known to the vendor or have not been patched. So attackers exploit this to gain unauthorized access to system, steal data or launch other miscellaneous activities before a patch or fix is available. So in this slide we'll be discussing about need of network security. The first one is protecting confidentiality, third one is maintaining integrity, and the next one is ensuring availability, the next one is preventing financial losses, and the next one is protection of reputation, and next one is compliance requirements. The third and the last one is supporting business operations. So now let's see in detail one by one. The first one is the protection of confidentiality. Network security ensures that sensitive data such as personal information, financial records, and trade secrets remain confidential and it's only access to authorized individual or entities. Without proper measures, information can be interpreted or accessed by unauthorized parties, leading to data breaches and privacy violations. The next one is maintaining integrity. Network security helps in maintaining the integrity of data by preventing unauthorized modification, deleting, by implementing measures such as encryption, access control, and data validation can be done. The next one is ensuring availability. Network security measures such as firewalls, intrusion detection system, and denial of services protection help ensure the availability of the network resources and services. And the next one is preventing financial losses. Security breaches and cyber attackers can result in significant financial losses for the organization due to the data theft, legal penalties, and regulatory fines, and remediation cost and damage to reputation. The next one is protecting reputation. A security breach can damage an organization reputation and erode customer trust. By implementing robust network security measures and safeguarding sensitive information, organization can demonstrate their commitment to protecting customer data and maintaining it in a safe environment. The next one is supporting business operations. In today's interconnected world, network security is essential for supporting various business operations, including communication, collaboration, data sharing, and remote access. By securing network resources and ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data, organization can be enable efficient and secure business process. So thank you all for watching my video. Please do like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.